Hey broskies, this is Konyo Bicolano and for today, we are going to make a can sushi pop. Hi broskies, maray na banggi, maray na aga, whatever it is. Today, we're going to try this one. Actually, super sold out siya the past few months. Wow! Tapos, eto na. Sushi pop. We're gonna try the sushi pop. So basically, sushi siya. And then, ito yung kandado. Joke lang. So there's an instruction on how, and then this is basically the sauce. Wow! So this is, magkano ba to? 300 something. Yeah, 300 something yata. So we're going to try this one. So let's go. Try na natin. Ooh, look at this. So the instruction is, remove the tube cap and sauce stick cup. Okay, so we'll remove this one daw. Ito yung laman niya. Haloy ko na itong gustong kakanon, like super legit and all, pero lagi siyang sold out. Binakal ko to sa MOA. So, let's go. Try na natin. Ito yung laman niya. The parong. We're going to try this one now. So, ito yung sauce niya basically. And then, tingnan natin kung makakain natin siya. Since hindi ako masyadong, or hindi ako palakain masyado ng sushi. Itadakimasu! Okay. So, ipupour daw natin tong sauce. Asan ba yung sauce? Ito ba yun? Or ito? Ito dapat. Oh, okay. This. Let's make parong. Wow! Parang yung parong niya, medyo mahamis-hamis and all, but let's see. Okay. Gusto ko yung ganon. Okay. Ito na yung laman niya. Pinur na natin. And then, tatakpan natin ulit. And actually di pa ako nagpapamanggihan mga broski. So this is perfect. So we are going to push this one. Oh, look at this. Nice. Okay. Oops. So we have to push this one and we have to like bite. You have to make a kana. Okay. Not bad. Masiram siya. Okay, let's add some more. It's time to bite. Look at this one. So mouthful. Okay. Wow. I think this is so masiram. I mean, pantulo ko na ininghungit. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Let's go. Let's do this. Woo! Harap siya. Pero alam nyo, nakakaugma because yung nagsiserve nito sa MOA, si ate girl, is actually a Bicolana. Sabi niya sa akin, Bicolano ka po. So, na-recognize niya ako. Hindi na lang ma-verbalize kung ano yung pangalan ko. Kung si Konyo Bicolano ba ako o si James Reed. So, Bicolano si ate na nag-serve sa akin ito. That's why I think this is extra special. Wow! Okay, let's hungit another one. Actually, ito na yung pamanggihan ko. Ooh. So, maki siya. I like this because there's, hindi siya ganun kaasgad. Definitely. But you can still taste the mangga and all. The mangga is not so mahamis. It's so perfect sa maluto. And then the maluto also is not maruge, not malagtok, super sakto lang, like super legit and all. So, okay, let's hungit another one. Ubos na. In fairness, bagay yung mangga. And what I love about this is that kapag hindi mo siya naubos, pwede mo siyang takpan ulit. Narata. Pwede mo siyang takpan ulit. There. And then, pwede mong ibalik. There you go. So, perfect siyang baon. I mean, kapag bumibiyahe ako papuntang Bicol, why not? Diba? Sushi Pop. I-try nyo na to. This is not a paid ad like Super Legit and all. But I think this is masiram. So, Konyo Bicolano approved to. Like Super Legit and all. Super siram niya. I mean, the taste is so masiram because it varies in 3 different flavors yata. Worth it ba i-try? Yeah, I would say. So, ano yung susunod nating i-review? Comment down below. Until next time, broskies. Like Super Legit and all. Konyo Bicolano. Siram.